What's up, guys? Derek Johnson from the Freedom Factory. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect Chirply to an opt-in form, either on WordPress or ClickFunnels like I'm demonstrating, or even a chatbot, and connect it to automatically send a text message out as soon as someone opts in. So you can see my form here. I asked for a phone number, and that's where the magic happens inside of Zapier. So starting out, you can see the trigger. That's going to be where you're getting the opt-in from. So I'm using ClickFunnels in this example. You could use another website or even your chatbot, as long as you connect it inside of Zapier here. So the trigger is ClickFunnels, and the trigger event is a new contact activity. So you can see when contact activity record is created, that's going to be my trigger. I selected my account in this step here, and I'm customizing the contact from this funnel only. So you could select your funnel here if you're using ClickFunnels. And I actually want to do this funnel step right here. So I'm going to select this funnel step, hit continue, and this is where it'll pull some test data in for you. You can see I tried this like 2 hours ago, just circling back around to do this video. And this is where you'll connect Chirply's Zapier integration. So right inside your Chirply dashboard, you'll see a video you can watch how to set this up and get this Zapier integration working for you. So check that out. I'm using the Chirply.io REST hooks, and the action event is send an SMS. Now you can see there's other actions in here. I could drop ringless voicemails, assign a sub-user, create a sales bridge, an outgoing IVR. So really cool stuff you can do. In this example, I'm just going to send an SMS message. I selected my account in that step. In this step, I'm choosing which Chirply number to use. So I'm using this one right here. This is the phone number I'm going to send, which we're getting from our ClickFunnels opt-in. So if you had a chatbot, you'd have to find it in here, or if you're using WordPress, it's going to be similar. You want to find that phone number field and select that right there. This is where we'll send our text message, and we can customize it to the new lead's name. So they also gave us this information from ClickFunnels, so I inserted that and just filled out this message, which will go out automatically shortly after they opt in. After that, all we have to do is retest. Once that's all set up, you can see I just got this info coming in. So we know it's working. The last step would just be to turn the Zap on. And from that point, anyone who opts in the future through this funnel is going to get that automated text message. And I can do some other cool stuff. I can add them to a campaign, put them in a CRM if I wanted to. All I would do is just come down here and build out another step in this Zap. So hopefully that makes sense. Now, once they're on this list, I do ask them to reply back if they have any questions. If they did that, I'd actually get those replies right to my cell phone, and I could use Chirply to communicate back and forth. So super cool way to kind of build more rapport or onboard your customers. And I'm going to test this out and see how it works. I let people know I'm only going to be sending probably one text message per month. I don't see any reason to be sending any more than that, just to see if they need help, or maybe shoot them some offers on some other software, stuff like that. But hopefully that makes sense and you can implement this in your business. Let me know if you have any questions below. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and smash that bell to get notified of future releases. We'll see you on the next one.